Hi, this is Hannah, and I'll be walking you through how to edit an appointment on the Salon platform. Let's get started. Let's walk through how to edit an appointment. From the left-hand sidebar, head over to Appointments. In the list, you can either click the three-dot menu on the right side of the appointment row and select Edit, or simply click on the appointment ID or client name to open the Details panel. From there, use the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Edit. This opens up the edit appointment form on the right. Here you can update whatever's needed, change the client name, mark it as a walk-in, or even add a new client directly from the database. You can adjust the venue, date, or time, and manage the services booked. If you need to tweak service pricing or apply a discount, just click the little edit icon next to the service name. You can also update the appointment status, like new, confirmed, or completed, and add or edit internal salon notes. Once everything looks good, click Update Appointment at the bottom. You'll then see a message confirming appointment updated successfully. Once updated, you'll see a confirmation message, making it easy to keep all appointment details accurate and up to date.